Good morning, everyone. It is currently February 10th at 10:15 in the morning, and I am getting ready for a Galentine's Day thing. Me and my friends are gonna have like a potluck, and we're gonna eat some tacos, we're gonna see some musicals, we're going to karaoke all night long, and I thought it would be a fun idea to bring you guys along with me. I'm also going to be filming another video during this video. I'm going to be filming my Crave Japan box, which is basically just a bunch of Japanese like foods and stuff that me and my friend are going to try. So yes, my hair is pink. I temporarily dyed it because I've been wanting pink hair for a really long time, and I used the L'Oreal Colorista in soft pink, if you guys are wondering, and I absolutely love it. And it should wash out in like 2 to 3 washes, depending, I don't know, but right now I'm obsessed with it. I think I'm gonna curl my hair for today just because it feels like a little lifeless right now, I don't know. So I think I'm gonna do that, and I will bring you guys along with me throughout the day, show you guys what I'm doing. Yeah, should be a good day. Hello everyone. So I did my makeup, you could tell. It matches my hair, because you know. Oh, I'm with Stephanie.
Hi.
She was in my last video, but like you couldn't see her, so this is like her face.
I'm camera shy.
And we are on our way to It's Sugar to get the Japan box. And I'm so excited. I cannot wait to do that. We're also doing like a bunch of Galentine stuff, so we're gonna like buy our Galentine stuff, because we're not prepared, you know?
Yeah.
Do you know that feeling?
I was like, Janelle, I'm just gonna buy you a Galentine, and like the lady's gonna scan it, and I'll be like, Janelle, here you go, surprise, happy Galentine's Day, love you.
Exactly. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Then we're gonna come back to my house and film the trying Japanese stuff candy.
Because we went to
candy.
No, I think
It's
there's
like a bunch
chips.
of, yeah, it's like random.
Is there
stuff.
juice? I think there's
I saw a
juice.
bottle. So
Okay. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll open it. We'll see. You
Our
guys
first
watch
reaction
after that
will
video.
be like opening it on camera.
So that should be fun. We're gonna go do that now. So I will catch up with you guys later. All right, guys, we just got to the mall, and we are on our way to It's Sugar. Which, I mean, we parked like right next to it, so we should be there in like 30 seconds. I'm so excited. The OG.
It's me in the box.
So this is the box. Guys, we got the box. Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm so excited. It's so heavy. Oh my gosh.
There's a lot of stuff in
It's
here.
a lot. I'm so excited.
I'm craving Japan.
So we went to Walmart. I just completely forgot to film because I'm the worst vlogger ever. But we got a whole bunch of Galentine stuff. We're gonna show you what we got when I get back to my house. Steph also got chips since it's a potluck. That was her thing that she had to bring, so she got chips.
I forgot.
Yeah. So, but yeah, we spent what, like 10 minutes at Walmart. It was super fast.
Yeah.
So now we're on our way home.
Pop socket.
She did, look, she got a new case and a pop socket. How cute. So now she can match with me because I have a pop socket. Now we're pop socket.
It's going.
It matches my aesthetic right now. Because as you can tell, I am very pink today. And it's just because my hair is pink. Okay, I'm driving. Goodbye now. Hey, Stephanie. I love you.
Hey, Janelle.
I like you. I'm gonna start recording now. This is the stuff we got. Well, this is the stuff I got. Stephanie's hiding it behind her purse because, you know, I'm not supposed to know. But we're gonna start recording the Crave Japan box, and I'm very excited because I'm a little hungry, so we'll see how that goes. Keep an eye out for that video. It's gonna be a really good one. I'm excited. Okay, guys, we just finished the Japanese candy stuff.
We're no
There we
longer
are.
craving Japan.
Hello. Yeah, we've satisfied our cravings. How do you feel about it?
It was good. It had a few things that were bad, but you'll
Oh,
just
yeah.
have to wait for the video to find out.
Yes! True beauty YouTuber. My hair looks so pink in the monitor.
I love it. It looks purple.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Well, my
Actually,
eyeshadow.
this box had so many pink things.
Yeah,
guys.
I did. Like, my aesthetic was very, very, like, just present throughout this whole video.
So good. Sorry.
So now we are just waiting for our friends to arrive.
So we could give them their Galentine's Day
Yes,
gift.
I'm so excited. We got a lot of stuff. Like, I wasn't planning on getting so much stuff. But
They're probably gonna come and be like, "Here's from the dollar
yeah,
store."
because my friend Leslie was like, "Oh, I got you guys like little Galentine things." And like, we got them like legit like stuffed animals with chocolates
We're
and all
just
that.
extra like
So,
that.
Yeah.
But it's a thought that counts. We'll film that and she'll do
Yeah,
like
I'll show you guys their
a
reactions.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to do your reaction when you get mine.
Yeah, because I have no idea what you got me.
Yeah, like it's not
We
like
definitely
we picked
didn't
it
go
out
together. My mom's making her famous dip. I'm so excited, and we're gonna have some
Really?
chocolate. Yes.
Is it like the 8-layer one?
It's 3 layers.
Oh, sorry.
I'm very picky, so it's literally just cream cheese, refried beans, and cheese.
That sounds delicious. Though.
It's really good.
I
I'm
mean,
so excited.
We're like sweet it out right now.
Yeah, I can't have any more
so-
sweets right now. I mean, I will after because my
Eventually.
mom made her dessert and I love it. If you guys are on a diet and you're looking for a healthy dessert, angel food cake with Cool Whip, like light when like in the tub, and then strawberries, and then like the only unhealthy thing is the strawberry glaze, but put that together in a bowl, like just mix it up. Oh my goodness, it's so good and it's so healthy. Like it's not like having like a slice of regular cake.
Yeah.
It's just it's amazing. It's really good. So, but yeah, we gotta clean up my room because it's a mess right now.
So
But,
much Japanese candy everywhere.
Yeah, we'll check back in once my friends get here. Bye. Okay, guys, so these are the Valentine's Day gifts we bought. This is my section. So this is for my friend Casey. This is for Leslie, and then this is for Stephanie. And then this is what Stephanie got. And this is for me. This is for Casey, and this is for Leslie. Leslie loves sloths. If you couldn't tell, this is a sloth, and this is a sloth. And then Stephanie also got us balloons. So I have to be like super shocked for when I get my gift.
When she opens it.
Yeah, because I have no idea what I'm getting. So.
Like, bet. Oh my gosh.
Guys, my friends are here.
I love
It's
your
Leslie.
pocket.
Wait, Casey's coming. Hold on.
I'm Missy.
Is this for you too? Casey's here too. Yes, of course it's for you too. Who else would it be for? So everyone's here. We kind of destroyed my mom's dip.
Oh my god, let's go get Leslie's reaction.
Oh yeah, I didn't record Casey's, but I will record Leslie's. Hold on.
I can act it. I
Yeah.
can act it out.
So yeah. She just got here. It's 5 o'clock.
Leslie, close
Good
your
job,
eyes.
Leslie.
Come. Okay, you can come.
What's happening?
You're welcome.
What do I name him?
Fluffy.
Wait, look, I'm slothly yours. I love you.
I'm sleeping with them.
Oh my gosh, no freaking way.
What? Oh god.
They're princess engraved chocolates.
Guys, we'll share them, don't worry.
So cool.
It's shaped like.
All my life I wanted a sloth plushie.
Oh my gosh, they're shaped like stormtroopers.
Stop, I'm so excited.
So this is mine.
I got this for
Oh, wait, I'm
her.
gonna put my glasses on. I want to be
I feel
nasty.
bad. Mine
See,
are
look, wait.
cute.
I'm tickled pink.
You
To
guys
call
are
you mine. That's my aesthetic.
I feel bad now because mine aren't as cute.
We're matching now.
Mine aren't as
This is
cute.
Steph. Rude.
Janelle.
Oh, how rude.
You
Thank you.
confused
I
guys.
saw Jay when I grabbed it.
Oh, and this is Steph. This is my stuff to Steph. Well, not this. This is my stuff to Steph. Not the Skittles.
I've known
This.
you for how long?
This is my
No, but
stuff
that's
to
not- my
Janelle.
glasses.
Oh,
It's holographic.
Look, wait. Can you see it? Yes, you can. So we all have these matching glasses. Look, in the
Wait.
mirror.
Janelle, you gotta fix my hair. 'cause
Wait,
it's
I'm
a
short.
mess.
I need to be in front of Leslie because she's taller than me.
We're all taller than you. Wait, we gotta show those blue eyes though.
Yeah, Leslie has the most gorgeous eyes, guys. I'm very upset. Look at her eyes.
I won best eyes in high school.
Yes. Okay, and I'll get some
This is
footage
what
of that.
Janelle got me.
Oh, yeah, like,
I stole her heart.
Okay guys, so we did it. We ended Galentine's Day. I completely forgot to vlog.
Got me.
Cause you stole my heart. Wow, it's so cute. Okay, but so I completely forgot to vlog the rest of the day because I'm a terrible vlogger.
Wait, because raccoons steal stuff, right?
You're right. So that stole my thoughts of vlogging. So I completely forgot.
Raccoon stole it all.
Yeah. So Leslie, in case you left already, but Stephanie is now leaving, so I thought she'd be in the end of my vlog since she started it off with me. So
Wow,
yeah.
we've been together for how many hours?
Oh my god, almost 12.
Almost up. Are you sick of me yet?
No, you can stay here forever. But yeah, this is where I'm ending it. Today is 11:14. It is now 11:14, and I'm exhausted.
Today
We've
was
done
a
a lot.
fun day. We filmed a video. I got a pop socket.
And in your case.
Look at it.
Oh.
Say hi. No.
My mom disappeared. Well, anyways, so yeah, today's been really productive. I'm tired. I can't wait to go to bed. I have church in the morning, so that should be fun. But yeah, you have a good day.
Always. Best day ever.
So I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want to be notified for when I post, click the little bell down in the near the subscribe button, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.